Hello everyone, Lindsay here. I am going to do my giveaway this week, and I thought I would post it today and then give you guys until I'm going to give you guys until Sunday because Saturday is going to be a super busy day for me. So you have until Sunday to enter, and the way you can enter is to be subscribed to my channel and to leave me a comment below, and you can also get an extra entry if you share this video with your friends to enter the giveaway as well. So you can get 2 entries, one for already being subscribed to my channel and leaving me a comment below, and then the extra entry is for sharing it, and then yeah, that's it. So anyways, to get into the giveaway, this summer I purchased one of these David's Tea tumblers with the straw and cleaner, and then I decided I liked it so much that I bought another one, and then I bought one for giveaway. So this tumbler is, I believe, 21 ounces, and it's got a place for the straw right there. You can also sip out of this just like regular coffee. You can sip right out of that hole there, and then you don't have to put the straw in if you sip it that way. So some days I do with the straw, some days I do just sipping all by itself. I love this tumbler, and so I'm happy to be able to give it away to somebody else. I've also gotten some Bones coffee, and so this coconut rum flavor is coming with the giveaway as well. And because I don't have a coffee maker, and because this is how I like to do my coffee anyways, I'm going to include a box of David's Tea filters. And so I usually put in 1 perfect scoop of coffee into one of these and then steep it for 4 or 5 minutes. And that's how I make my coffee instead of in a coffee maker. So I'm going to include those. You can use those for tea or whatever you want. But I thought I would include those so that if you don't have a coffee maker yourself, you can also make coffee the same way I do. I've also included in the giveaway 4 experiences of the Prove It Keto OS system. So I'm giving Life is a Peach, which is an awesome peach iced tea flavor, a Maui punch, so like a fruit punch. This one is non-caffeinated, so you can have that one during the day. And a mint chip cream, which is delicious. If you like After 8 mints, that's what it tastes like. And then a Keto OS Pro, which is a protein powder with ketones in it as well. So I'm including those in the giveaway as well. So it's a small giveaway. I hope you guys will like it. I hope that, yeah. I hope you guys will like it. That's what I'm hoping. It is to thank you guys for being my subscribers. I was supposed to do it when I hit 100, which was a few subscribers ago, and I've just been super busy and I just haven't gotten to it. So I'm doing it now, and so yeah, you have until Sunday to enter. This giveaway is good for anybody. I will ship anywhere in the world. I don't really have like adverse things to shipping things internationally or even across one border. So I am opening it up to everybody, and yeah, so enter the giveaway and leave me a comment. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.